Hi guys, how are you? This is my Opel Astra van. In the previous episode we did the first mods, setup, wheels, steering wheel, but today we're going to eliminate this enormous gap. Oof, that's terrible. This is Albert Cars and today we're going to slam the Astra van. We are at my friend Daniel's house. Yeah, his house. A house with an elevator, several motorcycles, a swapped Corsa A, and a Kadett on the wall. A house like most of us. What the hell? Daniel is engineer. This Kadett is his most personal project, a resto mod. Daniel is working on the Kadett's weak points. This guy is Daniel. Daniel is an Opel fan and today he's going to help me with the suspension of the Astra. The Astra F share many mechanical parts with the Kadett, and today we're going to install the suspension of my wrecked Kadett. Ahora. Palanca. Creo que lo pongas igual. Más igual. Nada. Vamos ahí. Ahí yo voy yo. Yes. Of course, the Astra GSI brakes and the racing brake lines could not be missing. For those of you who have been following me for a long time, you already know that I like to paint the background of the headlights in black color. And I couldn't miss on the Astra. These fenders are very damaged. They cannot be repaired, so we are going to replace them with others in a good condition. I found these fenders in a good condition in the marketplace for 50 euros, and in the same color. The details are important. The toe in yellow looks better than this faded black. I think this fenders needs a good cleaning, and a little of solvent, of course. This protection doesn't seem the same as that of my Astra. Let's go strip it. I recommend this accessory to remove the glue. It's great. We put some double-sided tape and stick the protections aligning with the others. Let's see how the Astra turned out.